Hello everyone, and welcome back to Real Life Unboxing. In today's video we have another month of Gadget Discovery Club. This one has been iffy for me for the last couple months, so hopefully this is a fantastic gadget that blows my socks off. And I can't wait to see what's inside of it, because this is actually my 11th month, and I purchased the annual subscription a long time ago. So I believe that in August, yeah, this is my 10th or 11th month. In August though, my subscription will be running out, and this is going to be deciding whether or not to continue my subscription with Gadget Discovery Club, guys. So let's go ahead and hop into today's video. If you guys don't know what Gadget Discovery Club is, it is a monthly gadget subscription where you can get a 12-month plan, a 6-month plan, or pay by the month. If you pay by the month, it's $40 per box. If you pay by the 6 months, it's $36. And 12 month is $33 per box. Now let's open it up and check it out. Wow. Wow. Experience the next level. Upgrade your lifestyle and entertainment by adopting the latest tech gadgets. Enjoy unboxing your new gadget. The Rise. This company may as well be called Rise, because most of the products that I've gotten are Rise products, and they just keep sending me more and more of these. And it is a travel adapter. This one is a travel adapter, and like I said earlier, if you pay by the month, that is $40 per month. So and it does say that the monthly box with one epic gadget, $40 box value guaranteed. Cancel, pause, or skip anytime. So I'm definitely going to be skipping and canceling, pausing all over them. I'm not even, yeah, definitely. This is probably the last straw with me, guys. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. And here is our travel adapter. Does look very sleek though. I really like the red and black. Here is the European Union right here at the top. That is sweet. And the US, just a standard 2-prong. Then we have Australia, which is, whoa, right there, also 2-prong, but sideways. And then we have the UK as well. And the UK is savage. They got a nice connection. Ooh. But yeah, overall, does look like a fantastic travel adapter. Not gonna lie there. But I do not believe that this is a $40 box value whatsoever, guys. If you believe it is, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys would pay for this subscription box. Past boxes from Gadget Discovery Club include that Dimensions VR virtual reality headset, that smart bulb right there, the Rise Mini Boom, carbon fiber wallet, another smart Wi-Fi light bulb, Motion 2 fitness tracker, Smoothie portable blender and smoothie maker, which is actually my favorite one, this selfie stick tripod, a native HQ wireless charger, and then the Infinity 2 solar charger, which those ones are amongst the coolest ones that I have received. But overall, I'm not sure what all these would be worth. And like I said, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So yes, this is actually my 11th month with Gadget Discovery Club. So I only have one more box left. So let me know down in the comment section your thoughts on whether or not I should continue with Gadget Discovery Club. If you guys would like to get gadgets from Gadget Discovery Club, your thoughts on this month's gadget. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.